His is very easy. See how easy it is? You can see. Oh, let me expand. I don't know how much of the grains he's eating. Once they get addicted to seeds, it is really hard to get him into eating vegetables. The other guy will, Opie, but he's, oh, look at him. He's actually eating some of his vegetables. Not much. Oh my God. That's pellets. I'm quite surprised. He never does that. How about you? Huh? See how easy Opie says. He's usually really good about eating vegetables, but now that he's discovering seeds, he's like, this is better. But he will eat some. So he's walking away from seeds. He only ate for a few minutes, a few seconds. It's just getting in broccoli sprouts. Where's your... That I have to take apart. Little florets. Oh, he's got one in his mouth.